Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel. So, how are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most attractive and super elegant handmade DIY flower tutorial, a flower wreath design for your home decor. These are very amazing and these are very unique wreath ideas for you guys. So viewers, thank you so much for supporting my channel and thank you so much for watching my videos. These are super amazing and best wreath ideas for you guys. You can make these wreath design at your homes very easily. If you don't know about how to make these type of wreath at homes, then you watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of wreath design. These are super incredible and very beautiful wreath ideas for you guys. If you want different kind of videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are super amazing and very beautiful ideas for you guys. So remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. Thank you for watching my videos and keep subscribing my channel and keep watching my videos. These are super incredible and most unique and very pretty and very amazing wreath ideas for you guys, and I hope so you enjoyed this video and you must share this video with your friends. Take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz guys.